Hi kids, happy Sunday. Today we're going to learn the next set of CVC letters or the three letter words of the sound I. Okay, so to have a proper handwriting, I have taken a 4 lines book so you can follow the way I write, and this video may be useful for you to write and read, and I hope it is useful for the teachers also, and even the mothers who are training their kids at home to write on the 4 letter lines. I'm sorry, the 4 letter book on the 4 lines. So, this will really help you, and also to learn the sounds of all the letters and how you pronounce it and how you make the kids write. So, sorry, let me do it in cursive letters. Because I teach even the junior KG, so even the separate letters I've been teaching. So this is for usually for senior KG or above senior KG kids who are learning and writing the cursive handwriting of I. So you have the vowels A, E, I, O, U, and you have to know the proper sounds of it, and also the consonants also. But vowels are used to make sounds, okay, to give a proper sound for the word that you write, the word that you read, and without vowels you can't read, and only with consonants there won't be any words. So vowels are very important. So we are going to learn the sound of I. This is I, the name of the letter is I, and the sound is E. So we also say that this 3 letter words gives you a short sound, because I has two different sounds, that is I as well as E. For the short sound it's usually E. So we make it very short and say not E but E. So the words that we are going to read and write is E, G. I is a vowel and G is a consonant. So we have the words that ending with ig. Okay, because the short sound we usually say the phonic as E. So the CVC words, that is B is a consonant, E is a vowel, and G is a consonant again. So the CVC words. So many people wouldn't have been knowing what is a CVC word. So this is consonant, vowel, and consonant. I will be teaching you the long sound also in future videos, but for now we'll just finish the vowel words, that is A, E, I, O, U. So I've finished A, I have finished A, that is E, and today I'm going to teach you I or E sound. B, ig, big. You can also separate it and read like B, ig, big. But this way it will be much easier for the kids to read quickly, like B, ig, b, ig, b, ig, big. So you keep practicing it every day, and the kids will find it very easy to read the 3 letter words. And you can go very slow with 3 letter words, then you have the 4 letter words, you have the blends, you have so many things that you can teach your kids. As mothers, I feel that you can teach lot of sounds at home when you are knowing it, or when you are learning all the sounds. So many parents will not know how the teacher is teaching, or how the sounds have been taught at school. So you will be teaching like big, big, fig. That's what we learned before. But now, after many years of experience, so I have learned is you have to teach them with sounds. So when you teach them with sounds, it becomes very easy for the kids to read very well. Okay, so reading becomes very easy because the senior KG kids can read big words only through sounds. So sounds can really help them. Phonics can really help the kids to read at a very young age. Big, big. Fig, fig. Wig, wig. And see how I write the letters inside the blue line. I usually tell the kids that this g, j and all which touches the bottom red line, I say it is as snaky letter because it goes like up like this, like a snake. So I usually tell them as snaky letter. So it's easier for the kids and they love when I teach them that way. So d, dig. When you go into teaching, the kids usually like something very different. They don't concentrate on rules kind of a thing that you have to teach them this particular rule or something. Can make it very funny for the kids, so they will remember it for a long time. So usually I say these tall letters because it's tall and touches a red line. Then I say this is short letters which touches and which is inside the blue line. Then I tell these letters which touch the bottom red line as snaky letters. So I'm very very funny kind of a teacher who makes different types of gestures and sounds to teach my kids, so they laugh and they learn. And the snaky letter, they know that, oh, you have to write downwards, come downwards, touch the bottom red line and go up as a snake. So it's easy for them. Id, 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 d, id, did, id, hid. This is short e or short I sound. K, id, kid. L, id, lid. Next we move on to the next set of words, that is it. In few more videos that I'm going to upload, I'm going to even teach you the sight words, the two letter words, the phonic sounds also. So usually small kids at this quarantine will not be sitting and reading with you, so I'm not making that videos yet. Maybe I'll do it in future. Whereas the senior KG, junior KG kids who are into the cursive letter writing and so on, they will sit at least for a half an hour and try to sit with moms and read and write and practice. So that is why I'm doing the three letter words. Otherwise I would have started with the phonic sounds and the what you can say, the two letter words. So when you read the two letter words, it will be much easier for you to start with the three letter words. So next, it. So ask your kids to underline these id, so they'll remember, because they get confused with e and I. So e says a, I says e, so they are a little confused. So this writing has to be done every day, and this writing and reading is very very important for the kids to register the sounds. It, hit, it, kit, it, pit, it, sit. Next set of words that you have is inwards. So the last sound will be in. So the next set of CBC letters, or the three letter words, or the short sound words, bin, in, pin. In, sin. In, tin. In, win. So let's read once more all the sounds that you have. Ig, ig. Big, big. Fig, fig. Wig, wig. Dig, dig. Id, id. Did, did. Hid, hid. Kid, kid. Lid, lid. It, it. It, hit. It, kit. It, pit. It, sit. Next is in. In. In, bin. In, pin. In, sin. In, tin. In, win. Hope you liked this video, and if you have any doubts you can write in the comments. So next video we'll get it in a very short time. So next set of words will be, that is, we finished a, we finished a, we finished e, and next we're going to go to o. So next video will be o. Thank you so much. Bye.